A groundbreaking research from Stanford University has pinpointed the exact ages when our bodies begin to experience significant decline. And it happens sooner than you might think. The study was published in the journal Nature Aging. Researchers tracked over 135,000 molecular changes in participants aged 25 to 75. They discovered two critical ages, 44 and 60, when our bodies undergo major shifts. These changes, which happen suddenly rather than gradually, are linked to increased risks of age-related diseases like cardiovascular disease and Alzheimer's. At age 44, the first wave of changes begins, affecting molecular and microbial levels, leading to early signs of aging. By 60, another significant shift occurs, marking a steep decline in bodily functions. While genetics play a role, lifestyle factors are also crucial in how these changes manifest. Understanding these pivotal ages can help us better prepare for aging and make more informed lifestyle choices to mitigate these effects, especially before the age of 40. Stay tuned for more groundbreaking scientific insights. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Thanks for watching.